Knowledge 17. Listening correctly to Islamic knowledge is the only way one can correctly adhere to its teachings. It is important to understand the difference between hearing and listening. Hearing is simply acknowledging a sound with one's mind, even if they fail to make sense of the noise. For example, a person may hear someone shouting at them from a great distance, but they will not be able to understand what they are saying. Whereas, listening involves hearing a sound and understanding it so that one's behavior changes. For example, a person giving a specific verbal instruction to another who responds appropriately after hearing and understanding the instructions. Muslims need to hear Islamic knowledge and strive to understand it, so that it affects their behavior in a positive way. Unfortunately, many Muslims have failed to live up to this in respect to the Holy Quran, as they are good at hearing the recitation of the Holy Quran, but fail to correctly listen to it, which involves understanding and acting on its teachings. To conclude, simply hearing the word of Allah, the Exalted, is not good enough to obtain success. One must strive to instead truly listen to it. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.